Hello, this video I will show you how to use 441 remote controller. This is 441 remote controller. This is package, 1 light bar and 8 ports. This is wire harness for ports and light bar. This is power cord for the bar. Power supply. Now let's start. Turn on the bar. Turn on the ports. The 4 buttons on the left work for the bar, and the right work for the ports. Button A is turn on, turn off. Button B is synchronous mode. Button C is alternate strong mode. Button D is solid mode, solid amber, solid white. Now turn off the light bar. Turn on the port. Button B is synchronous mode. Button C is alternate strong mode. Button D is solid mode. Turn off. That's